picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me.
Let's get into this wig review. Yes, I am finished styling this wig. If you're interested in the details, specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all. So this unit was sent to me by Rpgshow. Shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. As you guys may know, I love me some Rpgshow, and baby, they done showed out because, honey, they came through with that Lagos hairline. Honey, where you been? Girl, come here. Where you been? The Lagos hairline has been just like all over the internet. Like, even before the company sent me this wig, I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. Lately, I haven't really been in my wig bag. But even though I have not been in my wig bag, I have had or have seen the Lagos hairline, okay? And honey, look at her. Look at her. Baby, this hairline is everything. It is everything. Like, I'm not gonna hold y'all, okay? So I did my ancestry DNA thing, and I'm 30% Nigerian. So I'm like, is that why this wig fitting me like it's fitting me? Okay, because I'm Nigerian, I got a Lagos hairline. Like, what is it? Let me know. Let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. But anyways, this hairline is everything. It literally fits my hairline perfectly. I have had so many struggles with my hairline and with wigs and just the overall look of wigs, and this hairline, baby, chef's kiss. Okay, now I can get into this wig, give you guys details and specs and everything, but to me the hairline is the selling feature of this unit. Baby, I feel like all of us need to get this wig and need to get this hairline, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the details and specs anyways. So the texture of this wig is silky, even though in my personal opinion I don't feel like this wig is like super silky. I feel like it is the perfect in between of silky and yucky. That's how I always feel with Rpgshow wigs. Even though they'll say silky, it's not Barbie doll silky, okay? It's like the sort of like you done went to Dominicans and got a Dominican blowout type of silky. Like, it's silky, but it's not like Barbie doll. You feel me? So it is silky. The length of the unit that I am rocking is 20 inches. It says the hair color is like the picture. The circumference of this wig is size 1. Now, I will say this, even with my own hairline, like lately I have been wearing a little glue because I am wearing my wigs like a little more way more forward on my hairline. Like, I don't want it touching my hairline, baby. So I have been wearing some glue just for that more snug fit. I will say this, get your cap size. So if you feel like you are an average cap size, a small to average cap size, yes, get a size 1. But if you do feel like you're leaning more towards the bigger head side, or you got like a lot of hair and your braids are now like super smushed down, baby, get that medium to large cap size, okay? So go for the size 2 when it comes to that. Now, it does say this wig is a 13x6 Glueless Fit 2x2.0 Swiss lace front wig. It's 200% density. The lace color is tinted, transparent Swiss lace in the color light brown. I will say I do feel like this wig is given 200% density. It is very lightweight, but it is given thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, especially for a silky type of unit. Now, if it was more of a yaki texture when it comes to Rpgshow, if it was more of a yaki texture and it felt like this, then I would say it's not. But as far as silky textures with this company, I do feel like it's definitely given 200% density. As far as it being glueless, in my opinion, baby, I can't never do the glueless thing. It just ain't for me. It ain't for she. But I do feel like because it has that drawstring in the back, you can make old girl work if you wanted to. I have very, 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 very girl large ears, so sometimes the whole glueless thing does not work for me. But like overall, yeah, I think you can make this work with this wig. Just not me. Chris can't do it. She can't do it. But as far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any straight out of the packaging. That's not to say at some point old girl won't do any of things. Just that straight out of the packaging, old girl is not doing any of things. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. I'm not gonna hold y'all with this wig. I really don't have a con. I used to always say that I didn't like that you don't have a whole lot of space. Like even now my space is from here to here with this wig. I just feel like at this point, baby, I feel like at this point that is just a thing. That's just something you're gonna have to deal with these sort of units. So I don't even want to say that that's a con because I don't think it is. But if I had to give you one, that's gonna be the con. Moving on. As far as the pros, baby, the pros are endless. But we're gonna start with this hairline. Once again, Lagos. Lagos. Like, baby, this hairline is everything. Like, oh my God, I am obsessed with this hairline. I love the color. I feel like the color is not only good for transitioning from summer to fall, but I also feel like it is good for my girls that are a little timid when it comes to color. Like if you're somebody that's afraid of color but want to try color because of the really dark roots and like how it transitioned and it's just streaks, like little light blonde streaks that are not like 613, but they're not like super tame. I feel like this is a good transition for my beginner color girls, okay? I also love the texture, the length. The length is perfect also for this time of year, for that transition from summer to fall. So yeah, those are my pros when it comes to this unit. Oh, and I love the layers. You cannot beat a good layer, baby. I ain't have to cut not damn layer in this wig. So also the layers are coming through. Oh, child. Did you not hear my pros? Yes, I would recommend this wig. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Even though I am seated, keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Let me know if you know anything about the Lagos hairline because baby, they are coming through with this hairline. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let every one of my wigs from this point on come in this hairline, okay? Because I love it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hair2MC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.